Your front door plays an outsized role in how people perceive your home, often forming a judgment within seconds. It's the focal point of the facade, the place where the eye naturally lands. So when a door looks faded, peeling, or neglected, it subtly lowers the perceived value of the entire property, even if the rest of the home is well maintained. Real estate professionals consistently point to curb appeal as a major factor in buyer interest, and the front door is one of the highest impact, lowest square footage upgrades a homeowner can make. A worn door can signal deferred maintenance, making buyers assume there are hidden issues inside, while a clean, well-finished door suggests care, quality, and pride of ownership. Even outside of selling, a neglected front door carries a daily cost. It affects first impressions for guests, deliveries, and neighbors, and it can quietly diminish the enjoyment homeowners get from their own space. Many people feel their home looks tired without realizing the door is the source. The good news is that restoring curb appeal doesn't require replacing the door. Professional refinishing can dramatically refresh the look, deepen color, restore sheen, and create contrast that elevates the entire exterior, often delivering one of the strongest visual returns on investment of any exterior update. In many cases, the real cost isn't refinishing the door. It's living with one that's dragging your home's curb appeal down. Door New can refinish your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.